Hey, neighbour. Just wanted to drop by. Did you date her? Is she nice? Is she beautiful?
Give them the style, pop the style. Give them the style, cause we're wicked and wild.
Introducing Knops, the world's adjustable hearing control. Don't like what you hear? Turn it down. Want to hear more? Turn it way up.
We know them off it, but we no respect police.
Knops is a solid and patent-pending design that evolves around the concept of a revolutionary volume adjustment system. With Step 1, you can hear everything crystal clear at full volume. Step 2 is perfect for slightly noisy environments. Step 3 has a state-of-the-art acoustic music filter. With Step 4, you can totally isolate yourself from your environment. Hearing damage is irreversible. Knops takes care of your ears. Knops is developed by a young startup company based in Amsterdam. Two of them, Gwen and Quintin, already have a successful ear protection company called Thunderplugs, which is sold in a whopping 26 countries worldwide. The other creative masterminds are Arjun and Richard, who add cutting-edge innovation and design into the mix. Together, they form the creative backbone of Knops, an analog adjustable hearing solution that is adaptable to every situation, from concert to exam, from festival to construction work. Knops will be available in various colours and trims to perfectly suit your own style. Knops, control your volume.